So we have looked at the toilet facilities that's to be built in Korovol town. We also had the opportunity to see the plan for the Korovol new town development. Then we went to Reki Reki Market. Reki Reki Market is on the verge of completion. We simply have to get the completion certificate, and then we should be ready to open the market. But generally, you can say 99.9% work is complete. Then from there, we went to Bar Market, had meetings with the vendors as well, just to understand what are the issues and how we can address them. And we had a very successful meeting in Bar with bar vendors. We talked about opening hours for bar to be increased, and they're happy to go along with that. So it was more of a session where we had to compromise on a number of issues, where I had to give in and they had to give in. So we have found a common path as a way forward. So all in all, it was a successful visit, and today I'm in Nandi. We're not here only to look at Namaka Market, but also to see other potential projects that the municipal council can do on its own, or they can go into joint venture with private investors, locally or overseas. So the intention is to put out an expression of interest on potential projects so that we can give an opportunity to local investors first to express their interest, and if they get selected, then the town councils can work with the private sector to develop an area. We have seen the reality is that municipal councils are surviving on rates, and rates are often not sufficient. And if you seriously analyze how the rates are charged and when was the last time the rates were increased, in some municipal councils it was not even increased for last 20 years. And in 20 years the cost of services has gone up, population has increased, and we have not revised the rates. So I personally feel that we should not be only looking at rates. So if municipal councils go into joint venture with private sector, and say for example if they put up a big complex, shopping complex, an example, the land belongs to the municipal council and the shopping complex is built by the private sector. This is where we can negotiate and say, all right, the first 3 floors will be for municipal council, and anything you build over and above that belongs to the private sector. So that way it's a win-win situation for both the parties, and at the same time the municipal council will be earning some revenue which we can then use to reduce in future, to reduce rates that we are charging to ratepayers. So it's all about planning. I'm not saying we are reducing the rates, no. What we are saying is that we need to build or think carefully so that we can generate more revenue. So once we start generating more revenue, then we can offset it with rates.